welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to do a diamond haul painting from the dollar store, so let's get started. And I got them from my mom and my aunt, so thank you very much. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is, this one is the unicorn. So it looks like this. Really cute. This is another unicorn. This one is a bird. And this one is the butterfly. And then I had already gotten this one. I paid $3. It says up here at Dollarama. And then these are $3 each, also at Dollarama. But it's exactly the same, just different packaging. So I got two of these now. And then I got this one, the llama, in the green box, and this one in the gray box. And again, they're both exactly the same. They're from Dollarama. And I'm gonna show you, this one I actually finished on my channel already. So this is what it looks like all done. This one. Really pretty. So the other one is exactly the same. We're going to unbox this one just to show you what's in these diamond paintings. So the first thing that you get is the stylus for the diamond painting, the application glue, and a pan to put your diamonds in, and then all your diamond beads. And the other thing, they don't call it diamond painting at the Dollarama, they call it bead embroidery kit. That was the other thing that's different. So you also get the beads that you need to work with, all of them there. And I already know they give you plenty of beads and extras. And then here is the pattern. Now this blue looks a little darker than this blue, so maybe they will look totally different when I'm done. So those are the diamond paintings that I got from the dollar store, and I'm pretty excited to try them. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone.